Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday. Happy Monday everybody, I'm back. I'm so excited you could join us. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that little bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Monday, I like to do Casing the Catalog Monday. However, I have taken part in a couple card swaps. So today I thought I would share all the different cards. Now I will have in the description a link that will head you on over to the blog post with all the pictures and information about all the different cards. I do encourage you to stick around till the end of the video as I have something really special I wanted to show and share with everybody that I received from a friend named Sally Byrne. And I'm so excited. It was such a thoughtful thing. So stick around till the end. I want to share with you what she sent me. It's so beautiful. I will also have in the description a link that will take you on over to her Facebook page. Super talented. I encourage you to go and head on over there and go and look at all her different works of art. She is amazing. Now these cards, you guys, are in no particular order. And I am terribly sorry, I'm going to say right up front, if I pronounce your name incorrectly, my humblest apologies. I do try my best to make sure I get everybody's name correct. So again, no particular order, and stamping on the inside is optional. You can do it if you want. So card number 1 comes from Barbara Welsh, and she is the card organizer, and she always sends a lovely little thank you for participating, and it's super cute. So this first card comes from Barbara. Thank you so much for your card, Barbara. It's beautiful. Now it's so hard to see on camera, but we have some embossing going on there. Like she's used the 3D embossing folder. Beautiful card. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much, Barbara. This next card has no name. Card number 2, I don't know who card number 2 is from, but such a beautiful card. If this is your card, let me know down in the comments, and that way I can fix it on over on my website. Beautiful card. I love it. I love the colors. We got some torn paper on the side, the vellum. It's just beautiful. Love it. Thank you so much. Card number 3 comes from Ginger Schneider. Such a beautiful card. I love how she's speckled the card. So pretty. And the little flowers on the side. Oh, it's lovely. I love this card. Thank you so much, Ginger. What a special card. So this card number 4 comes from Jane Rappelia. Beautiful card. It's hard to see on camera, but there's a lot of sparkle in this card. I love sparkly. So pretty. A lot of dimension. Very pretty card. Thank you so much, Jane. She's also gone and colored the back of the card. So pretty. It really is a beautiful card. Love it. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Jane. Card number 5. Card number 5 comes from Dana Miller. Super cute little card, you guys. Love it. It's so cute. And your little place to write your message. Card number 6. Card number 6 is from Rhonda Morgan. I love this. Look at that. Just adorable. There's a lot of dimension going on as well. She's taken the clear faceted gems and she's colored them in. How cool is that? I'm going to have to try that. I love it. So pretty. Thank you so much, Rhonda. Card number 7 had no name. And again, I encourage you to leave a comment down below. If this is your card, let me know. That way I can fix it over on my website. We have card number 8. Card number 8 is from Marjorie Miller. Such a beautiful card. And again, it's hard to see on camera, but there's so much sparkly. Like this background paper stuff is like super, super sparkly. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the colors she's used as well. Then she also used the like a crackle, I don't know, there's like a background stamp on here. Oh, it's so, so pretty, you guys. Love it. Thank you so much, Marjorie. Card 9. Card 9 is from Heather Brecken. Super cute card. Thank you so much, Heather. Love it. Love everybody's cards. Everybody's cards are beautiful. This next card, card number 10, is from Sarah Matson Bloom. And inside, she's gone and heat embossed. Look at that sparkle, you guys. You see that? Oh my goodness. I love it. Anything that's sparkly is my favorite. Ooh, so pretty. The front's got all sparklies. Perfect little card with all the sparkle. Love it. It's hard to see on camera. Beautiful card. Thank you so much, Sarah. Card number 11 comes from Bob Gonzalez. And again, a beautiful card. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Little diamonds there, the rhinestones on the side. Such a pretty card. Thank you so much, Bob. Card number 12, you guys. This is the last card in the card swap. And this is from Wendy Lynn Johnson. Her sentiment, she's popped up with some dimension. Super cute. And these pearls, I believe, are also colored in. So the pearls and the clear faceted gems, you guys, you can color those babies in. Yeah, isn't that cool? Super cute card. Thank you so much to all the people that participated in the card swap. I love my cards. I'm so excited. And now I wanted to share with you my amazing, amazing gift that I received from Sally Byrne. And again, I encourage you to head on over, and I will have in the description a link that will take you on over to her Facebook. And I encourage you to go and have a look. And her little gift package is just adorable. I absolutely love it. And it says, yeah, aren't you glad we're pals? You rock. Isn't that so cute? And there's 2 little compartments in this little baggy / envelope-y. Look at this. She made me a bracelet, a bangle. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. And it says here, Sharleen, just for you, a few of my treats as a thank you, Sally. Isn't that pretty, you guys? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it so much, Sally. You don't understand. You absolutely made my day. True story. You did. You made my day. Now look at this. Oh, if you love to read, how amazing is this, you guys? Love to read? And it's a bookmark. How cool. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use my bookmark. It is so, so pretty. I love the colors. I love flowers. I just thank you, Sally. You are too kind, my friend. I really, really love your gift. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends. And I hope to see you back here on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Take care.